Welcome back to Stealth Security. In today's video, we are going to see how to maximize your information gathering with Nmap's default script. If you don't know, Nmap is the port scanning tool. Let's quickly look at Nmap's help command. So what Nmap does is, it basically scans a server and tells you what ports are open and what applications or services are running on those ports. These ports are used by applications to connect to the internet. If a port is open, it can be an entry point of attack. Let's do a quick Nmap scan of scanme.nmap.org. This is a URL given by Nmap for us to learn scanning the server. So we are free to scan this. If we do a quick Nmap scan, we can see what ports are open. You can see that port 19 is open, port 22, which is SSH. There are a few ports open. You can get this information. Great. Now, if you want to get additional information, like what services or service versions are running on Nmap, we can use the SV flag. So nmap sv, which is service version, and scanme.nmap.org. Let's give it a second. Great. You can see that Nmap now fetches way more information, like OpenSSH version 6.6.1 is running on port 22, and Apache on port 80, which is the web server, is running 2.4.7. Great. So what we usually do is we gather this kind of information and use a tool like Metasploit to see if there are any existing vulnerabilities, or we will try and take over the system using an exploit. But not many people know that Nmap has a scripting engine. These scripts give Nmap added power. These Nmap scripts can do very sophisticated tasks like vulnerability detection and even exploitation using the scripting functionality. You can also write your own scripts, but that's for another day. But in this tutorial, what we will see is how to use the default script of Nmap. So default script is basically a set of other scripts, and these are non-intrusive, and they simply try and gather more information than we can usually find using a service version scan. So let's run the same command, but this time we will use the default script. So basically you will use the script flag along with the script name to run a script scan. But for default script scan, you can say default scan, or you can use the shorthand SC, same like SV. So let's say SC. So this command will run a set of default scripts in addition to port scanning as well as service version checking. Let's see if we can find any additional information than what we found using the service version scan. And this is going to take a while, so let me add the verbosity flag so we can see what exactly is happening in the background. Okay, the same ports are discovered. Perfect. Now we can see there's way more information available as a result of the scan. You can see there are SSH host keys, which the SSH protocol uses at port 22. For example, DSA is kind of outdated and very insecure. And what other information have we found? Okay, so Ubuntu 2.13 looks like it's a kernel version. I'm not sure. You can see there are HTTP methods supported. Post options, get and head. Post is very important. This means that there is an endpoint where you can send some information to the server, maybe like a login page or something, which is also another great entry point of attack. So you can see that this gives us way more information than a regular service version scan. So as you can see, script scans are a great way to add extra power to your Nmap scans. So before trying to use some other tool like Metasploit for vulnerability checks and exploitation, try to use Nmap scripts first. There are way more scripts in Nmap, which I'll be doing another video. But for exams like OSCP, where Metasploit uses very limited, these scripts can be extremely helpful for you to pass your exams. So I hope you enjoyed this video and understand how Nmap script scans work and how powerful the default script scan is. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you want some hands-on experience in gaining access to Windows and Linux machines, check out our Hackers at Start program. It's a 5-day course combined with labs for you to learn and practice some real-world skills. You can find the link for it in the description below. And as always, like and subscribe to this channel. If you think this video was useful, do share it with your friends. See you soon with a new topic.